Hello everyone, my name is Piano Guy. You already know about me. In the last video I said that I would be teaching you how to play Seagulls. Stop It Now. It's a really fun song by Bad Lip Reading. There's a beginning, there's one video where I got this cool bit by of where this guy explained to me how to play the song. Hopefully I still got it. Yep, still got it. I'm not going to take credit for his song. I'm not going to take credit for any of this. So I suggest that you search up how to play Seagulls as soon as you're done with this song. Go check his beginning video out, and then please come back to this one because I'm going to teach you how to play the rest of it. It was really hard because I didn't search up any tutorials of it. I sometimes search up tutorials how to play other songs, and then some songs I just have to figure out on my own. This was the only song I figured out on my own. So after or in this case, it's, right around there, you want to do A flat to F, then A flat to B flat down to the bass clef. And then next up is, or in this case, A flat, B flat, B flat, A. Then D flat, or I'm sorry, D, F, E, flat, and then down here, B flat, A flat. But for the hand chords that I did for this one, is F, D, and B flat. For down here, it's, and then the next chords will be E, F, E flat, D, E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, D, E flat, and then F, or I'm sorry, B flat, D, F, and then C, C, D, D, B flat, and then just let go of this, C, 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 D, A flat, then this one just right hand only, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, B, A flat, A flat, A flat, G flat, G, A flat, A flat, G, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B flat, C sharp. That's only right hand, and that's around like a more kind of bit. And then the next is nothing I can do but yell when these birds attack me, or in this case, I'll play it very quick and I'll explain it. That one, the only parts that repeat are because you gotta play that twice, and then the next chords are different. So it begins with F major treble, and then D, F, E flat, I'm sorry, yeah, E flat, D, and then B flat, D, F, A flat, B flat, D, C. Then you want to repeat the next thing again. And then this time it's different because it's A flat, B flat, B flat, E flat, D. That's where it gets different because it's the first one was D, C, and now it's E flat, D. And then D, E flat, and then just, oh yeah, sorry, yeah, E flat, and then E flat, just a quick one, and then C, D, F, E flat, D, F, E flat, E flat. Yeah. Alright. Right there, you want to just let go of this just for now. It's, again, C, D, E, F, E flat, D, F, E flat, E flat. As you can see, I came prepared. This one is a long one. it's a dozy of the song. In the beginning, I actually kind of figured that one out. It's just for that one, it's just A flat and B flat. And just listen to the song before you do any of this. I'm just giving you a little bit of advice. If you just do this, you won't understand what it is until you listen to the song. Bad lip reading, Seagulls, stop it now. Okay? And then for the next bit, original F major in C, E, D, or C, E flat, D, C, C, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. And then right there you want to go silent, and then B flat, D, F, or A flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, and then just B flat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. A flat, B flat, and then just repeat it right there, and then A flat, B flat, and then A flat, F. For that one's just A flat 4 times. Right there, I'm going to end the video right here, and right around there would be the start of the beginning of it. Or in this case, some rockin' and rollin', down to the beat time strolling, but some seagulls poking my head, not fun. I said, Seagulls, stop it now, hoo-ha, hoo-hoo-hoo-ha. And then everyone told me not to stroll on the beach, said seagulls are gonna come, poking me in the coconut, and they did, and I'm going like, and then ha-ha-ha, and then nothing I can do but yell when these birds attacked me. Tried to run, and then I fell. Then these kids start laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a haggy sack. But where'd it come from? Now run and jump. I can be a backpack while you run and jump. Now stop. Put me down. That's where we end. Only for today, and the next bit, it gets a little bit weird. So I hope you all like this for now, so enjoy. Bye. Piano Guy out.